Question. If a person travels X percentage faster than normal, he reaches Y minutes earlier than normal. What is his normal time of travel? The options are option A 100 by X plus 1 into Y minutes, option B X by 100 plus 1 into Y minutes, option C Y by 100 plus 1 into X minutes, and option D 100 by Y plus 1 into X minutes. Let T be the normal time, S be the normal speed, and D be the distance travelled by the person. We know that distance is equal to time into speed. Then we can write D equal to T into S. Let this be equation 1. Also, it is given that the person travels X percentage faster than the normal. Then we can write the new speed is equal to 100% of S plus X percentage of S, which can be written as 100 plus X by 100 into S. Also we have he reaches Y minutes earlier than normal. So we can write the new time equal to T minus Y. We have to note the fact that even if the new speed and new time is different from the normal speed and normal time, the distance travelled by the person is same. So we can write the distance travelled by the person in terms of new speed and new time. That is, distance d equal to new speed into new time. We know that the new speed equal to 100 plus x by 100 into s and new time is equal to t minus y. So we can write d equal to 100 plus x by 100 into s into t minus y. Let this be equation 2. Also, we have from equation 1 that d equal to t into s. Now, the RHS of equation 1 and equation 2 can be equated. So, we can write Ts equal to 100 plus x by 100 into s into t minus y. Cancelling s on both sides, we can write t equal to 100 plus x by 100 into t minus y. Now, multiplying the terms in the bracket, we get t equal to 100t minus 100y plus xt minus xy divided by 100. On cross multiplying, we get 100t is equal to 100t minus 100y plus xt minus xy. Rearranging the terms, we get xt equal to 100y plus xy, which implies xt equal to 100 plus x into y, which implies t equal to 100 plus x by x into y, which implies t equal to 100 by x plus 1 into y, which is our required time. Thus, the normal time of travel t equal to 100 by x plus 1 into y minutes. So, the correct answer is option A.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.